Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Screaming Frog for technical SEO strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in screamingfrog.co.uk into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Screaming Frog homepage loads, look for the download option on the menu. Click on download to navigate to the download page. Choose the version of Screaming Frog that corresponds with your operating system. For Windows users, click on the Download for Windows option. For Mac users, select the Download for Mac link. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Screaming Frog on your computer. Once installation is complete, open Screaming Frog by clicking on its icon. When the application opens, you will see the main interface. If prompted, enter your license key if you have one. If you are using the free version, simply click on OK to proceed. Now, look at the top bar where you will find the URL search bar. Enter the URL of the website you want to crawl for your SEO strategy. Make sure the URL is complete, including http:// or https://. After entering the URL, click on the Start button at the top left corner. Screaming Frog will begin crawling the website based on the URL provided. During the crawl, you can monitor progress in real time on the interface. Once the crawl is complete, review the results displayed in various tabs. Utilize the filters to focus on specific aspects of the crawl for a detailed analysis. Explore features such as internal, external, and response codes for deeper insights. To save your project, navigate to the File menu and select Save As. Choose a suitable location on your computer and name your project. Click Save to store your crawl data for future reference. With these steps, you are now logged in and ready to use Screaming Frog for your technical SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.